Hi Bari Saxophones, welcome back. On today's video, we're doing Accent Book 2, page number 8. In the upper left-hand corner of page number 8 is the note low C sharp. And also, next to that note is the fingering guide or the fingering diagram to play that note. To play low C sharp, we're using our first, second, third fingers on our left hand, our first, second, third finger on our right hand, and our pinky on our right hand on this low C key. We're also going to add our other pinky to our C sharp key, which is right here, and I hope you can see it on camera. If not, use the fingering guide that shows us where on the saxophone to put your fingers. Half steps and whole steps is also part of today's video. On a piano keyboard, the distance between any notes that are side by side or adjacent are called half steps. And any two notes that have a note in between, well, that's a whole step. And on the right-hand side of the page, they've given us some examples. From A to B flat is a half step. From A to B is a whole step. Find those notes on that piano keyboard and study that dynamic or study that picture. It clearly shows you when there's a whole step and when there's a half step. We'll use those whole steps and half steps throughout today's video. Starting with our first exercise, notice at the top of the staff in number 21, they've labeled the half steps with a triangle symbol, and they've labeled some of the whole steps with a square symbol. Notice they've done that in two places. We'll be doing more of that at the bottom of today's page. So let's get started playing with our number 21 different steps. This piece is in cut time. Do you remember that cut time means that the values of the notes are cut in half? Whole notes get 2 beats, half notes get 1 beat, and quarter notes get half of a beat in cut time. Let's practice that and practice number 21. We'll do it twice. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Here we go, second time. Watch out for your C sharp. 1, 2, ready, set, go. The second time was better for me, and it probably was for you as well. Try playing this exercise 2 or 3 more times, and you'll have it mastered. Just make sure you have your F sharps and C sharps. Up next is Up on the Housetop. This is a traditional carol, and it's a fun one to play. Let's play it together. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and ready, go. If you had fun with that one, rewind the video and play it again. Zoom Gali Gali is next. It's a duet and an Israeli folk song. It's got part A and part B. As I always do, I'll start by playing part A. You can join me or play part B for an instant duet. Then when I switch, you can play part A. This piece is in common time, 4/4 time, and it has a B flat in the key signature. If you're playing part B, look out for our new note, C sharp, as you get to practice that note 2 times. Here we go. Zoom Gali Gali. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And here's part B. 1, 2, half notes 2, ready, go. And our last exercise is number 24, accent on theory, identifying half steps and whole steps. Now, grab a pencil for this one because they want you to label the half steps and whole steps like they did up in number 21. Using the piano keyboard, if you need help, use the triangle shape for half step and the square shape for whole step. Next, let's play this exercise. Number 24. F natural, E, F sharp, G. 1, 2, ready, play. And there you have it. Now fill in those half steps and whole steps with your pencil. And until I see you next time, keep practicing.